Taking a look outside right now, look at South Medford. We are seeing very quiet conditions across southern Oregon and northern California. Right now 43 degrees in Medford. We do expect areas of low clouds and fog to develop overnight. Notice the cloud cover off to the west. This is our next weather maker for Valentine's Day. We will see these mid to high level clouds starting to stream in as we go throughout the day tomorrow, but most of Friday is going to be mainly dry for the region. Tonight down to 33 degrees in Medford, 24 in Klamath Falls. Taking a look at tomorrow, still pretty mild, increase in clouds through the afternoon. As we head into the evening, especially after dark, there will be the chance for some showers along the coast. Eventually, some of that wet weather spreading inland into Valentine's Day. Will be a bit cooler. Lots of clouds on Saturday for Valentine's Day, but most of the precipitation, rain, and higher elevation snow mainly going to be in the morning hours. Snow levels will be between about 4,500 to 5,500 feet throughout the day. And notice as we plan out your Valentine's Day in the Rogue Valley, it's mainly the morning where we see the showers, drying out for the afternoon, maybe a few peaks of sunshine, but it will be a rather cool day with highs only topping out in the lower 50s. It should be dry though in the evening if you're heading out for a Valentine's Day dinner. Precipitation amounts through Saturday, not a lot. Most spots well less than 1/10 of an inch, but as you head closer to the coast, that's where we're going to have the potential for some higher precipitation totals, maybe up over 1/4 of an inch. When it comes to snowfall, we're going to be watching along the Cascades, maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow for Diamond Lake and Crater Lake, a coating to 1 inch for Lake of the Woods, but all in all, not expecting really much of an impact when it comes to snowfall out of this first round of precipitation. Here's Futurecast as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Those increased clouds, showers into Saturday morning, snow impacting the Cascades. Any accumulations mainly staying above about 5,000 feet, but even then very light. And then as we go on into your Saturday evening, things are pretty quiet for us. On into Sunday, starting to see some precipitation moving into the region, especially along the coast. And then here comes more of that wet weather as we go through the day Sunday. Some heavier rain and higher elevation snow in the Mount Shasta area, but we have an even more potent storm system that looks to move in Monday into Tuesday. And notice how those snow levels drop sharply. So we're going to see some bigger travel impacts to the region as we head on into Monday and Tuesday, and we could get some lower elevation snow. It's looking more and more likely as we head towards Tuesday into Tuesday night. So keeping a close eye on Monday and Tuesday. If you have travel plans, you'll definitely want to stay tuned. In the meantime, wet weather returning into this weekend for the coast, Northern California. Dry weather tomorrow, just a slight chance of a shower on Valentine's Day. Better odds at wet weather coming up on Sunday. For the basin, accumulating snow and colder temperatures next week. Look at that, highs only in the 30s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. For the mountains, snow will be coming heavier and more of an impact as well to travel, especially as we head into early next week. And then finally for the Rogue Valley, dry weather tomorrow, some showers likely Valentine's Day morning, and then tracking more wet weather and colder temperatures into next week.